From the west of New York at Times Square, the 2010 Harmonie Group Spring Meeting. This year, issues in professional liability.
Harmonie is an organization that goes back to the early 90s. Our relationship expanded when we formed about 10 years ago a relationship with our sister group in Canada, the Candian Litigation Counsel. This all came out of the concept of building a national and now North American network that would service our clients of our firms so that they could get good counsel wherever something occurred.
I want to thank Harmonie for the opportunity to discuss with you a couple of concepts that I've seen evolve, which are of concern to lawyers and of concern to those of us in this room who represent lawyers.
My name is Natalie Magdeburger, and I'm a partner at Hodes, Pessin & Katz in Baltimore. I practice primarily medical malpractice defense. We do everything from credentialing to licensing to dissecting aneurysms to the representation of institutional review boards.
This is an opportunity to meet with our clients and to give something back to them, but also to give them an opportunity to meet with each other in a supportive and collaborative rather than competitive setting.
Well, obviously it's the relationship building that I have. With the attorneys I use some of the Harmonie attorneys already now. I've met a lot of new attorneys that I can use later down the road. We're building our professional liability division at Max Specialty, and I look forward to retaining some of these folks to help us with future cases.
I think it's for the contacts with people that I get to know. You know, with me, it's an element of trust there. You know, if I hire lawyers to handle my business, it reflects upon me. I tend to be very loyal to the lawyers that I have, but things happen where I'm looking, and this is a place where I look.
We have an explosion of litigation against professionals in Canada. It appears that we have picked up a mentality that when something goes wrong, we need to blame someone, and the person we like to blame the most now is the professional. So we've seen an increase in claims against architects, engineers, lawyers, accountants, financial advisors, real estate agents, life insurance salespeople. All of these people who are giving advice to clients.
One of the things that we learned early on is that there's a tremendous flow of business north and south of the border. And the CLC is an organization built on the same principles as Harmonie. We want to partner with the industry. We want them to partner with us. We want them to be able to trust us and to know that they have reputable attorneys who are responsive to their needs and paying attention to the industry and the trends. And when we met CLC, it was a perfect match.
It is. It is. As the CLC group of firms has evolved, our vetting process is very similar to this as that of the Harmonie Group. So the fit is there, and I'm very fond of saying to our clients that peer pressure is the guiding light. No one ever wants to come to one of these meetings and say, I sent you a client and you didn't do a good job.
Well, I think the biggest thing for us is to understand the importance of a partnership, and it's not a lot of the work that we do with our folks out there, it's not a master-servant relationship. That doesn't work, and no one's going to benefit from that. It's a true partnership.
It truly works well, and I made the comment that if I have a question and I don't get it from the firm that I'm speaking with, I know that it'll be sent throughout the network, and I'll get a response back, and quite often I get it back within minutes.
When the Harmonie Group first formed, there were a few law firms in the United States. It grew through the years to include the Canadian Litigation Counsel, and now the network has gone international.
Good morning, Alan Eady from Breakenton Loats in Glasgow in Scotland.
We've gone international with the advent of the addition to the Harmonie Group of Davis Arnold Cooper, who are represented in London, Spain, and Madrid. And we also have international friends of Harmonie, some of whom were here at this meeting. It's a global world today.
CLC and the Harmonie Group have always been driven by the clients. The clients are what give it direction, they're what give it our focus. And what we have found in the last short period of time, about 5 years, is that our clients, both in Canada and the United States, are looking for assistance on an international level.
this meeting. It's been fantastic. I mean, as I said, I think to the audience, it could have been a very daunting experience coming into a group of people I really don't know, but everybody's been very warm and hospitable, and I've really been struck by just how many kind of common threads there are to the sort of thing we're doing. So we have a lot of clients in common, we have a lot of the same issues.
Well, there's a good buzz about it. I think it's a great format, and it's a good format certainly for us to get into because we value the teamwork. We certainly value a lot of people we work with in CLC and Harmonie as well, so we absolutely appreciate this.
I recently had some of the people from Davies, Arnold Cooper in the boardroom of the Ontario member firm for CLC, and we were able to bring a number of our clients right into the boardroom. We spent the whole day introducing them to them so that they could get the feel for the Canadian marketplace. So yes, we're really excited, Lauren.
Exciting stuff going on.
Exciting, really exciting.
Well, and they're looking for somebody that they can count on. They want to pick up the phone, and no matter where it occurs, they want to be treated the way they are from their own particular counsel in their geography. So our goal, our mission is to meet those needs no matter where they occur. And that's why when they come to these, they meet these attorneys from across the world that can fulfill their needs with one phone call. And it's as though they're talking to people that they already know.
The Canadian Insurance Company can come through us and through CLC, through the Harmonie Group, and find a qualified, reputable, experienced law firm in that jurisdiction that is exactly like our own law firm, and it's a law firm that we will stand behind 100% in everything they do. And we found the relationship to be just a wonderful value-added service for our clients.
Covered a vast amount of topics in an optimal amount of time, and you all did an outstanding job, so thank you.